Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into some important causative agents. Important causative agents and also the color of the grains of various types of the mycetoma. So let's divide it into the U mycetoma. The first heading. So under U mycetoma, it includes the color of the grain black. So this includes the Madurella mycetosis, mycetomatis. So it is a Madurella mycetomatis. So this is nothing but it is black in color. Then comes the M. griseae. It is again in black in color, and the pseuda Lescheria boydii. This is white yellow. So white yellow is what? It is a pseuda Lescheria boydii. This is white yellow in color. It comes under the U mycetoma. Then we move on to the actinomycetoma. Actinomycetoma, this is actinomadurae madurae. Actinomadura madurae, this is white yellow in color. Whereas in U mycetoma, the Madurella mycetomatis was black in color. So here the actinomadura madurae is white yellow. So what is the other one in white yellow? It is the actinomadura madurae. Then the A. pelletieri, this is red yellow. So what is red yellow? A. pelletieri. Then Nocardia asteroids. So Nocardia asteroids, it is white yellow in color. It is white yellow. Then Streptomyces somaliensis is again yellow. So Streptomyces somaliensis, this is nothing but yellow in color. Then we move on to the Botryomycosis. So this Botryomycosis, it is we look at staph species. Everything, most of them, it is white. So what are the white? There is the Staphylococcus species, the Streptococcus species, the E. coli, it includes the E. coli. Then the Proteus species, the Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Next, what is yellow in color? Yellow in color, it includes the Actinomycosis, Actinobacillus. So Actinobacillus, this is the Lignieraceae. So this is yellow in color. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.